Hello, this is Kelly with Summerhill Village, taking you on a live video tour of one of our most popular model homes. It's called the Barton 2. Now, yes, it's called the Barton 2, but it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Brand new, with tons and tons of upgrades. You can see I'm giving you a nice view of the kitchen and the living room. Super popular feature in most of all of our homes is this island, and it's got storage cabinets on the other side. I'll show it to you. And it's got an electrical outlet. Look at even the really unique features of the tile backsplash. The sink, the faucet is upgraded. This home is full of upgrades. Double pane thermal windows, upgraded insulation. All the blinds and curtains come with it. All the appliances come with it. They're upgraded Frigidaire appliances. I'm going to show you first the cabinets in the island. Let's take a quick look so you can see the living room. And then I want to show you the inside of this pantry. It's plenty big. So this home, as everyone can see, is finished drywall. It's got a coat closet over here. Both doors have screen doors. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Split floor plan. 2 bedrooms on this end and an extra bathroom. And then as I turn around, let me not go too fast, I'll take you over to see the primary bedroom first. So we even put central air conditioning in our homes, and we give you a free shed. And we have awesome neighbors. If you haven't heard, Summerhill Village is doing a complete redevelopment of this community. We've sold out of phase 1, almost to phase 2, and we're starting to get ready to sell out in phase 3. You won't recognize the place. This particular home has white wood cabinets. And in the primary bath, it has a walk-in shower with sitting benches. Again, this is the primary bedroom. Now, when I take you to the other end of the home, I'll show you the 2 extra bedrooms. And the bathroom on that side has the tub shower combo. So you can see all of our homes at 4leafprop.com. You can see pictures, pricing, live videos. You can do virtual tours. You can see that we have an online application process. Super, super easy. We have in-house financing, and they consider all credit. And we have some deals going on. You've got to check out our website. Or you can call or text me, Kelly, at 989-560-0785. I can help you. I can answer any questions. We're pet friendly. We put in a brand new dog park. Let me show you the closet in the guest room. We put in a brand new playground area. We have basketball. We have a ball diamond. We're located on the walking trail. There's a lot of cool stuff going on in our community, and we have some awesome neighbors. So if you're looking for a new place, you want to give up renting, you want to downsize, you want to move into something that's super energy efficient, get a hold of me. We have a lot of different model home options, and we have homes for every budget. Costs you nothing to apply, and it's pretty easy. As mentioned, they consider all credit. So don't wait. Call or text me, 989-560-0785. Check out our website at 4leafprop.com. This particular model home is move-in ready. It's 1132 Stoneridge Court, Mount Pleasant, Michigan.